Hi, this is the latest episode of Tang News. All the key updates from the Tang ecosystem in just a couple of minutes. No fluff, just facts. Let's go. Tang Foundation becomes the title sponsor and side event host of the Hong Kong Web3 Festival 2025, solidifying its role as a key player in the global Web3 ecosystem. The event will bring together top industry leaders, including Vitalik Buterin, David Bailey, Lily Liu, and Paul Chen Mopu. Plus, on April 8th, head over to the Tang Focus side event showcasing innovations from the Tang ecosystem. Ready to attend? Check the link in the description and register now. Have you tried Tangkeeper Pro yet? Tangkeeper Pro is designed for users who need more control, flexibility, and security when managing digital assets. With advanced tools, multi-platform support, and enhanced transactions, it streamlines crypto management for both individuals and businesses. Here are the key advantages you'll get with Pro. Multi-send. Send up to 255 transactions at once for bulk payments, giveaways, or token distributions. Multi-sig wallets. Secure transactions with multi-signature approvals, ideal for teams, DAOs, and businesses. Multi-accounts. Organize holdings, airdrops, and NFTs under one account. Gasless transactions and Tangkeeper battery. Swap and transfer select tokens without holding Tang for fees. Gift battery. Send battery charges to friends, ensuring seamless transactions. Ledger support. Keep private keys offline with Ledger hardware integration. Lastly, Pro subscription. It unlocks automation, bulk transactions, and enhanced security for power users, businesses, and developers. And it's accessible from any device without compromising security. Use Tangkeeper Pro on iPad, Linux, web, and desktop. That's it for today. Stay with us, like, subscribe, and see you next time.